All right, this is a perfect addition for your man cave, your apartment, your garage, your little get-together area, or as a second one in your home. Let's check it out. All right, welcome back everybody. Presidente here with you once again with another video. We're doing a review. We haven't done one of these in a while. We're going to talk about the RCA apartment fridge. This is an item I bought for the addition that I built that I'm renting out, and this is perfect. It's perfect for a small apartment, your man cave, your garage. It is great size. It is lightweight. It's supposed to be efficient, and so far I really like it. So we're gonna get into this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the memes at the end. Okay, let's go. So when I was looking for a fridge, I was thinking about one of those small mini fridges, like the 3 cubic feet ones, but that was going to be just too small. So I came across this one, and it seemed just perfect. I wasn't sure until I got it in the apartment, but once I did, I realized it was perfect. I'm going to show you. We're going to unpack it, and when I bought it, it was just over $400. I think it was like $427. Right now, it's sitting at what does it say? $399, so $400. I will leave a link in the description where you can go and check it out. I got it on Amazon. The only negative reviews that I saw on there were about packing, and apparently when I first started shipping these out, they weren't packed very well. Well, you're gonna see in the video, they are packed very, very well. Yeah, the box is gonna get banged up a bit, but no damage to the inside, and straight out of the box. I let it sit for a little bit because you shouldn't plug it in right after it's come out of shipping and moving around. But it was just working beautifully. So, okay, let's go with it. All right, so I just got this brand new RCA refrigerator, 7.5 cubic feet. It's for a small apartment that I will be renting out, and let's check it out. All right, so actually it also had a piece of wood up over here. I already removed it. It comes very well packed. I know that there was some complaints about it arriving damaged or something like that, but so far it looks pretty good. It looks well packed. There's styrofoam there. I noticed the spot. Let's go back a bit. There we go. I noticed a spot in the front that had a ding on the box. So let's see. And the box. See, so this part, you can see where it came through the box, right? Here and here. But no damage internally. You can see it hit a little bit over here on this, but in here, but did not go through. So that's very good. So far, happy with the packing, and it's actually very, very light. I was surprised because you know how refrigerators usually are heavy, but no, this one is pretty light. So far, I'm impressed. I'll move this so y'all can see better. That's it. All right. Now, corner is protected. I forgot to bring my tripod, so sorry. Y'all get to watch it from this angle. It's supposed to be efficient, so it's good. So you have the freezer on the top, and then your regular refrigerator at the bottom. The doors are reversible if you want to have them open the other way. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and you know, it's just kind of how it's gonna be. Yeah, I mean, for your little shelf there, and then you know, nothing crazy about there. Ooh, it has the little film on here. That's going to be so satisfying. I'll do that here with two hands later. Y'all don't get to see that. Sorry. All right. Oh, wow. Plenty of shelving inside and there too. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Now, once I set it in, plug it in, we'll see how it cools, but gotta let it settle. Y'all know you gotta let refrigerators settle after you move them, right? I mean, I'm talking like a big move, like you tipped it and all that because of the oil that's in the compressor. That's right. Cool. Actually, I like it now. As soon as it gets cold in there, then I'll be for sure. It's a little dial right there. What about the top of the dial? Did I miss it? It must just have one setting for the freezer, huh? Hopefully it's just like blasting Arctic air. All right, cool. Well, let me finish getting this out and then we'll see what else. Okay, so here in the packet that came along with it, they gave you a little just one. All right. So, and one ice maker. And here's the parts if you want to switch around. This was inside there too. I gotta see where it came from. I think it's from one of the shelves. That's what it looks like. Maybe. But like I said, it came very well packed. I'm impressed with that. I'm happy with that. Here, cup of ice water. That's enough for one cup. Enough to get your drinks a little chilled. And there are some instructions. There's a little scraper there. It'll probably go missing, end up in somebody's car. In the winter time, you'll be here scraping. Ooh, scrape that frost. That might end up in my car. Take a look at that. You know how clean it is. Try to never be that clean again. Oh, it's meant for it. See that? I'll put those back on. Because then if not, it's just gonna slide around. But here, see like that? That slides. That's nice and cupped because of these things here. I'll slide those back in. That's to keep it from moving. A little drain in the back. You can see that? Which, you know, sucks because this doesn't drain out to anywhere. So probably has a tray underneath, and when it gets full, it's gonna spill. Okay, let me get those pieces back on. I got those pieces in there. Now, I'll slide this bad boy in here. I think I'm gonna put it at the top. There we go. Yeah, decide where they want to put that. I don't know, I like it. Plug this bad boy in. And did you 110? Ta-da! Ooh. Set the 3 right now. Let's just put it low. I'll just put about 2. We'll be able to tell the difference. I'll come by the mirror in the afternoon. And we'll check it out. Alright, just checking the day after. And it is cool. It's not cold because I had turned it almost off. Alright, let's do this again because last time I had to put it down too low. It's nice and cold now. The other one, last time I couldn't, so yeah. And then, oh man, I didn't put any one more time. Okay, yeah, so here you go. Like an ice cube. It's very lightweight. It was only like 80 pounds. Very easy to move. I had a little hand truck just to get it from the front of the house to the back to the addition. And then once I was inside, has 2 wheels on the back. Very, very easy to move and place. Has a reversible door, so you can move it from one side to the other if you prefer it to open the other way. They have the hardware for it. I just kept it the way it came, and again, very pleased with it. So check it out. Again, the link is in the description box. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, the memes are next. Beauty.